guys, I'm back and I'm sorry I've been away for a long time, but a lot of things have been happening. I can't really go into them right now in this video, but I will make a video on it if it's wanted. I'm back with a new video, so welcome to today's video. Today we went to Petwise in Pontypridd, and we met some amazing people who we've met before, Nigel and Tori. Here's Nigel and me stood outside Petwise. We had such a great time today, and we went for a coffee afterwards, all of us, and it was just absolutely lovely. While we were at Petwise, we swapped these two, which are my female regalises. They were pretty much mature, and I have 3 females and 1 male and a baby, so I didn't really need those two, so I decided instead to get a few other additions, so I swapped them. I will show you those in a second, but I just wanted to say thank you everybody for your support while I've been gone. I know that there's a lot of people on here who have still been watching my videos. I really appreciate that, and I also really appreciate all of you new subscribers that I've had since I was away. Also, I now have a TikTok also named Unusual Pets. It's unusual_pets. That is the quail, which I will update you on soon. Also, that is on my TikToks too, so if you want to go check them out. But yeah, let's get on with it and I'll show you what we got today. So the first animal that we got today was these. These are 2 African train millipedes. We've had these in the past. Unfortunately, we recently lost both of the ones we had, and we're not 100% sure why. But we have these ones which are very large, and they're both female by the seams, so I am on the lookout for a male. But here is one, and the other one is pretty much the exact same, but I can show you it's curled up around the tissue paper. But I'm going to get those rehoused in a bit, which will be in another video. But here they are. They're absolutely ginormous. The next animal we got is a favourite of mine. I have had a large Asian forest before. Here we go. I don't know if you can see him. He's a very large specimen. He's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it's female or male. I am going to have a look, but I haven't checked underneath yet because we only just got him, and that is literally the first time I've taken the lid off since we were in the pet shop. And the final new addition is this is a bit of a different animal for me. I've never had one before. I have been informed that they are difficult to keep in captivity, but it is this. I will do a close-up here of this animal just so that you can see it a bit better. It is a, right, let's get this right now, a hairy leg sun spider, also known as one of the camel spiders. So that is our new additions that we got today. We are going to hopefully be uploading videos now on just a Monday for now. Obviously I was trying to do Monday and Friday. I'm going to just do Mondays for now, and then once I get back more into the swing of it, I will hopefully be uploading twice a week. The only reason that I don't want to do that straight away is because I don't want to give myself too much pressure straight away, because it's been a while. However, if you want more content, don't forget to go and check out my TikTok, which I upload on every couple of days. And also don't forget to go check out my Instagram, which has loads of photos of all the animals here at Unusual Pets. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, before you go, hit that subscribe button and that like button for me. It really helps out the channel. Also, we are going to be having a super special guest on Saturday. We will hopefully be going live from my channel, but he is coming to visit and I'm super excited about it. If you like this video, then you can always go check out some of my playlists. There's lots of other videos from the past that are here that you can click. I will be making lots more videos, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next one. Bye!